Here's the Google Fitbit Air. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. Out of the box, it comes with an instructions manual, the tracker itself, and a charging cable. First thing is go ahead and start charging it. So it's plugged in and I get a slow white blinking light. Okay, you can see the Google logo there, and there's an LED light on that side, just on that side. So let's go ahead and let this charge. Next thing is you want to download the Google Health app. Okay, it used to be the Fitbit app, but they changed it to the Google Health app now. Of course, you can use an iPhone or an Android phone. I'm going to be using an iPhone here. So go ahead and download, go to your app store and download Google Health. And then looks like this right here. So go ahead and download that, install it. You have to answer questions like your age, your weight, and all that. And once you do that, go ahead and open up the Google Health. And then once you open it up, just make sure you tap on today, and you're on this page here, top left-hand corner, that little rectangle. Tap on that, and then we're going to add a connection. We're going to tap right down here. We're going to tap on that, and we're using the Fitbit Air tracker. We're going to tap on that, and we're going to start setup here. Go ahead and read through this. If you agree, tap on agree. Power up and let's get started. So it's already charging, so we're going to tap on continue. Searching now. We get a pairing request here. I'm going to tap on pair. So it's still sitting here. I've been waiting for a while. Now on that screen prior, I was stuck on there. So what I had to do is I went to Bluetooth settings. I turned off Bluetooth, turned it on, came back here. It was still stuck there. Then I just went and closed the Google Health app, and I reopened it, and now it's back here. So it looks like that part got done. So let me tap on update now. Okay, so that last updating part, it was kind of like stuck on there. So what I had to do was I just went and closed the Google Health, and then I reopened it. And then it finally ended up finishing up. It said data syncing, just like this. Loading data, and it just said all set. Okay, so let me click on today. So let me go ahead and put the tracker on. Basically, you put it on just like this, and this thing over here with the Google logo, that gets covered. And you don't want to put this on too tight or too loose. Let's go ahead and put that on like that. Okay, so it looks like we're up and running. It's already tracking my steps. Let me just click up here. You can see we're 100% charged here. And let me tap on the Fitbit Air. Oop, let me go back. Let me just tap on today. And you can see the steps is working. I just walked around. My heart rate is working too, 71. Now it's 70, 69. Anyway, we're up and running. My main thing for this too is for the sleep. So I need to start getting some sleep data. Anyway, any questions or issues, just comment below.